Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80070008, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now in this case, we will stick to two resolutions only, and the second one will definitely fix the problem. So the first one is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. How would you do that? So we have a script for you. Copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator and paste the script here. Hit enter. Now I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop all the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs associated with Windows updates. It will reset WinSock, and then finally it will restart all the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.